We're in front of an interesting Vanturer World Edition packet for 2026, making up to 4,490 for the actual package. And I like it a lot. There are the General Grabbers 83 tires that I had on my car, and they're great on all terrains. Even if this campervan is not 4x4, it will give much more traction when needed. Well, let's get to the spec sheet so we can check the actual starting price of 59,900 with this longitudinal bed situation. And well, this is the model year 2026 with this towering fridge on this part. And when we enter inside, we can check the standard situation with Fiat Ducato chassis, additional storage with skyroof up there, then the standard widening situation without compromise, and a great storage unit on this part. If we check the kitchen, we can get a 2-burner stove with, well, sink and 3 pretty reasonably sized cabinets right up there. Not bad at all. On the upper part, we have a pretty reasonable kitchen cabinet, and the highlight of this is the extendable shower unit, so you get the shower all the way down and right up there, so you get much more space when taking a shower in this campervan with the cassette Thetford toilet. And going on the back, we have an almost longitudinal bed on this part. Measuring, let's check up this. Measure 1.939, and on the longest part we are measuring about I'm getting an error, so please wait a second. About 1.958. Well, it will be pretty large for sleeping 2 or 3 people. And also we have pretty deep 6 cabinets all around. And going out, checking on back side of this pretty interesting campervan, we have a pretty wide opening of, I will not need to measure because it's 183 centimeters and 181, so pretty long for one bike here, but a lot of bikes like that. This is a pretty awesome big garage for a campervan of just 6 meters in length. Pretty amazing size.